So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, under Performance, you want to click on Settings. And now you want to click on the Advanced tab and then click on Change. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, you want to untick this box. Next, you want to select Custom Size. We should now be seeing Initial Size and Maximum Size. In the initial size box, you want to put your RAM times by 1.5, but it's going to be in MB, so you want to go to search and type in calculator. Click on it. Next, you want to find out how much RAM that you have, so you want to go to search and type in system information. Click on it. We're going to scroll down, and then you want to look at installed physical memory. For me, I've got 8 gigabytes. I've got 8 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm going to close out of this now. So once you find out how much RAM that you have, you want to type in the calculator 1024 times by the amount of RAM that you have. For me, I have 8 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm going to type in 8. So I'm going to do 1024 times 8, and then click on equals. If you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, you want to do 1024 times 4. Now the number that you get here is your RAM in megabytes. You want to times this number by 1.5. So click on the times button, times it by 1.5, and then click on equals, which is now this number. You want to type in the number that you get here into the initial size box. Next, for the maximum size, you want to times this number by 3. So just do times by 3, click on equals. Type in this number into here, maximum size MB. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. Now you want to restart your computer. And then that's how you do it. Your RAM is going to be increased.